I'm good to go.
Okay, same here. Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing today?
I declare I declared my day. Doing good, no complaints, some such.
Yeah. So it's Easter weekend. Everyone is quite happy outside.
And you say happy.
Yeah, as in happy, as in religiously, like speaking. Then we have people that don't call themselves in terms of a religion, which is not a bad thing, by the way, right? Human form will be human form. You'll have your families that like they are for religion, then as in they are not. But
are you ready for the conversation?
I would never be ready for such a conversation. I would never like sabotage myself for such a conversation. I feel like it's too much. It's too much. Yeah. Then it takes a lot of understanding.
For me, I'm not equipped to have a little conversation. Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. As well.
And
even you might think maybe I just got like out of church.
And
like
suited,
I just got out of church. And you would think, but I would know better. But there are some things. That's why I'm saying, it's quite a enormous topic. But I would never talk about it. But the business of today, we as we've discussed, is discipline. Unfortunately, for me, I don't have a glass of water, right? to demonstrate or to model what is discipline, because it's such a huge topic to talk about or to dwell on. When I called you or texted you about like the next shooting, I was like, I wanna put in some input to this foundation that you've built, and you said 10 weeks. Week 3 ngoku.
Third week.
Week 3.
Which speaks of let discipline.
And in like it kind of got me like off guard. I was planning with my task. I like to use the word task because I feel like everywhere you go, you deal with a task or you take on with a task. So I was like, okay, this is how my weekend is gonna go. And then church. Then I remembered. Weekends are for lovers or podcasts. Weekends are for podcast shooting because that's most of us where we are free in a sense. Not necessarily free because we're always busy. So I thought about this topic. Then I thought I should put some emphasis on you. I didn't bring that much, right? Lena, it's a topic on itself that speaks for itself. So I'm just gonna throw it out there. As much as you said, but okay, today I should be on the driving seat of this conversation. Yes, I'll drive it, don't worry. But I hope now you have some counter arguments to what are we gonna
arguments. No, obviously I will contribute. Kulondo is and before sidlule kakhulu I'm sure usive uzawufuna usibethe.
Okay, I don't care about that guy. Sive, we need preparations. We need preparations, and I think it would be nice when he's around here in South Africa. We can't talk to someone who is overseas, right? That's irrelevant to us. So I think when he's here, I think that's when we should implement. I'm not saying we're not going to do it. But off guard, we're not going to do it. But in preparation, we're going to do it. Maybe with him on the other side of the table. That would be interesting.
Because uti, well, ndithethile like the reason why singenayo like low intro leyo yabo. And ke ngoku it was more like maybe I would say maybe bad habit esinayo esingafuni ukuyilungisa yabo, because I do believe maybe kanye ingenza ishow maybe be better yabo, instead of us sisuke nje sithi gqise sijumpa in. Maybe first address abantu, I don't know yabo,
I know.
or maybe first not necessarily address but to introduce topic le.
Yeah, but what he said there, it was more of like having a formality to what we were doing, right?
Yeah, structure basically.
And also, it enhances everything. You see what I did there. So, yeah, but unyanisile. So, yeah.
So asiyenza namhlanje. Phofu kulate ngoku because I'm sure umuntu ka eclickile imisile yonke la.
Yeah, we already on our way out. We're about to close now. Yeah. So, yeah. Content that I wanted to talk about, it's something that has been more of life-changing and impactful in my own personal life. But I'm not here to talk about my life. I'm here to talk about the content or the topic.
Yeah.
That's why I said the topic speaks for itself. So I have a piece here that I like to read. Then I'll create some sort of a theme for the day. So here's the piece. So the piece says, discipline is the foundation that turns ideas into real, tangible results. So a business of the day is about the act or a code of a discipline. Like how does a discipline help people? How does a discipline shape people? How does a disciplined person look? There's a lot of questions that I can create from this. Like how does how does a discipline on itself looks like? Like in any context, yona indoni discipline. What is a discipline? I think we should start there.
Yeah, because now ibizaba yinto enzoqala ngayo yabo to first try and define the discipline yabo. But I think as abantu siyayazi ba indoni yabo, and also somehow kungathi khona I misuse yayo yabo. And si acceptile futhi yabo. So discipline, it's some sort of ability of umntu doing into that needs to be done. Yabo. Even if maybe like I go comfortable at doing it.
Yeah.
Yabo. And I wanna underline the part iti into that needs to be done. Yabo. So let's say you do have lo goal leyo yabo, and under your goal you do have izinto that need to be done. Yabo. And ngoku for you to be able to do ezondo that need to be done, then you should have a discipline, of which discipline is the ability of you doing izinto that need to be done. Yabo. Then ngoku ndize ngoku kule nto yoba ndithi misused ukuveka discipline abantwana yabo, even nangoku ndisebenzisa udiscipline yabo, kuthiwa kuya discipline umntana kuye kuthiwe like awuna discipline le yabo. Maybe umntana let's say ugezile yabo, so there's londo fall into le definition ndinikileyo. Like let's say mzekelo umntana misbehaving yabo, which is bad behavior le yabo, but kuye kuthiwe bad discipline naleyo. So ise into eyi-1 leyo okanye si misuse udiscipline.
Remember, this is a very like broad, like a broad, on its own. So that's why I posed several questions, which I can't remember now. That's why I posed.
But eyona ibiphambili, of which if nasiqale ngayo is to maybe clarify uba discipline indoni, and also not to say uba kufuneka sizame isebenzisa ngendlela right, because le ndlela lesiyisebenzisa ngayo I would say right, because into le amagama are just the way of us communicating yabo. And ke ngoku if sonke siyavumelana uba we will use discipline to maybe enforce good behavior on ebantwaneni yabo, then sonke siyavumelana ngalondo. Akubikho mntu ufumanise kubana ubhidekile as to how we are using
discipline
elgama yabo elithi discipline yabo. But from just nje isilungu eso indlela elidifana ngayo yabo idiscipline ileyo ba it's you having to do into that needs to be done even if awufuni.
Okay, going to that, remember you made an example of kids who are not disciplined. Then they are disciplined so that they are, or they have a good behavior. So from that, you should pick this up about, okay, there's an enforcer now, like trying to shift you away from being indisciplined to be disciplined.
Okay.
So a good definition that you just brought up, it is simply because maybe Leo, it was it be for the self, not for another person to actually guide you in a way. Okay. Remember, in a sense of discipline, right? As boss teacher, you need to do something, you need to commit to something. Right? In order for you to be like, there are a lot of terminologies that are involved when it comes to discipline. You need to commit to something. You need to make time. You need to arrange. You need to use words, as we were so chill about words are communication. Even when you speak, it's also part of a discipline. So that's why I said, okay, this topic speaks on its own. In a sense, discipline is very broad. So in any case, let's say you're building a house, right?
Okay.
And we know as you can't exist on their own. They are affected by other things, right?
Yeah.
So we can't necessarily put them away so that if the focal point here to be discipline. Yes, the focal point here is about discipline, but as they play an impact, like a major impact, just like as display like time, arrangement, proper communication, as well as the attitude, as well as the behavior. And so chill, what if a child is disciplined, the child will lean towards like being good or behaving good.
Yeah.
So let's say maybe you're building a house. So then when you build a house, and there's time for you to give out a proper structure, like Ubekwi diagrams. You think about, okay, I feel like if you want to mount something on top of something, right? And then if you just do it, then I don't think it will be the result that you've wanted or that you've pictured. In a sense of a disciplined way, I think you need to take time for you to grasp it, take time to analyze it, take time to imagine about it, take time to give out the proper structure. Then from that structure, you can perform the task of Unoyenza, which is to mount whatever you're trying to mount. Then you be on the right order, right formation. I'm not a builder, but I would think about builder benza alone. But I might be wrong. I might be wrong.
So, because any that you mentioned, kulendo buyifunda hapa is that and as you spoke about into to answer goals,
yes.
And then maybe for you to achieve your goals, you need the discipline.
Yes.
And then going back to it, definition yoba, it's you having to do steps still for you to achieve something. So it's more like the upper kule podcast. So let's say mzekelo ngoku i-goal yethu is to have 10 episodes. And for us to achieve the goal leyo, we need steps still. Of which eyona major one is to make sure around el xesha siyashuta on a Sunday. Or but like once a week. Kufuneka iphume i-episode le. Of which it takes discipline because zininzi distractions ezikhona esizifesayo ezinokwenza uba singakwazi ukushoot. But us having to make sure uba whatever distractions ezikhona we can kill the noise. Then send the show uba sizakwazi ushoot. So for now sathetha ngo 343, of which that that's good, but you still have 7 more weeks. So funeka sibe disciplined khona.
Yeah, and until we get to 10. So I'm gonna ask you this question. I know it's coming out of nowhere. So classical episode 5 yonguko, right?
Yeah.
Are we half empty or half full?
Half empty or half full of what?
Of kaloku goal yethu 10 to reach
10.
maximum it's 10.
We are both.
Okay.
We are both because we are half full. Yeah. And also we are half empty because it's shorter the 5 more weeks.
Yeah. Hey, ngobe nibukele episode, I find very, and you see after si recordile, right? And then I take time. I don't watch on the day, maybe when it's out. Like I take time, maybe think, okay, if I'm doing something, if I'm cooking, if I'm washing dishes, then I watch. Then I would listen, then watch, listen, then watch. I pick up some other things that I completely forgot that I mentioned. I don't know if that has ever happened to you, or when after you recording, you remember everything that you said.
No, like not everything, because yi conversation hourly, so I doubt one ngakhumbula yonke into yabo. But xa sendi editor yabo, ndizama compile yonke, then yeah, it's not like ndiyenbe shocked as to, oh, I did say lento le yabo, but xa kunothiwa umuntu like ibe into yoba I must recall whatever endiyithethileyo, I doubt ndingakwazi yabo. But xa sendiva, I wouldn't be shocked yabo, because it's a fresh.
Okay. I'm gonna read the second piece, which says
the first one.
The first one is very beautiful. It says, discipline is the foundation that turns ideas into real and tangible results. So I think it speaks of what you said, that's something that needs to be done. Once when you accumulated with discipline, whatever you're trying to achieve, you get it, and then you get more of it.
Yeah,
if you're disciplined.
And basically, it's just you having to do into that needs to be done.
Yeah. Yeah. And then, so the second one says it allows you to stay committed even when motivation fades. So I think it's more or less of the same thing. So if we go back, or I like to bring Izindo closer home. If we talk about a context related to or our content, basically. So if
before why inzima
to
discipline?
Okay.
Because in the chilo, well, based on the definition layer, eyoba, it's you having to do into that needs to be done. So lendo, uba you have to do it, but you find uba uye ungayenzi. So why?
Okay. Now let's get to the real deal. This is why I said if we get unazo counter arguments, then it will make this conversation very interesting. So why inzima? I've been a victim of being ndingabinayo discipline at all. I had no discipline whatsoever at a point in my life.
So by you not having a discipline, it's you saying ubungenzi what needs to be done.
Yeah, I didn't do what needed to be done. Yes, and as well as I didn't perform task accordingly, and I ukubone, like when you wake up in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, then you wake up with no purpose. You wake up in the morning, you know what to do. Well, I like to refrain from doing something needs to be done, right? You can do something, but ube ungenayo discipline.
Okay.
We should think about that as well. So at a point in life, I had no discipline. But to answer your question, why inzima? Or why is it difficult to be disciplined or to perform an act that is compounded with discipline? It is difficult simply because somewhere, somehow, or you don't know, right? Or that's what your mind tells you.
I don't know what you mean.
I mean, at the moment when it feels like you don't care about anything, like it doesn't affect you, especially if it's a long-term thing, right? Especially if it's gonna come out maybe in the next 2 years or in a year or whatever. So long as you know, if you not disciplined now, it's not gonna be a quick response. Like if you're not disciplined now, catch fire, then you're gonna duck. It's not like that. It's more of, if you're not disciplined now, it's coming towards you and you're moving towards it, which is the consequences of you not being disciplined. So I think it's difficult simply because it's not gonna be a response that you get. Like I would imagine, I wanna making like an easy example. Okay, like let's talk about a school term, like a school term, a singular term, right? So in a term, maybe let's say how many months you have in a term. We have 4 terms, right? So we have 12 months approximately. 3. So in a term, we have 3 months. Then we know at the end of that term, you know you're gonna write your exams and do
a report.
And get your report. So first few weeks, okay, failing an exam or not committing to a task that you're given in class, or not attending classes or anything of that nature, that is not part of discipline, right? That is not part of discipline.
And also ukuze sifumane kahle, like i-discipline iba tied kakhulu towards goal. So kulo mzekelo umenzileyo of as terms i-4, so i-goal would be for upase
for you to pass.
And ke ngoku in order for wena upase, that's your goal, then kubakho izi-steps ekufuneka uzithathe, and ezo steps ezo need i-discipline. One would be ukuya esikolweni each and every day, well, from Monday to Friday, and then okwesibini is to be proactive in terms of umsebenzi wakho, and then ube curious, wenza homeworks nazo zonke ezo nto ezo, then ke ngoku into ke ngoku izaba yoba umuntu uyayazi goal and then umuntu uyazazi steps, but ke ngoku what happens in between ke ngoku apho ufumanise kubana umuntu kuthi akana discipline kodwa uyayifuna la goal leya.
It's part of maybe missing out a few of those, like having a lack of those, because remember I said to you, it's not a quick response, it's a response that you'll get later on. And once you get there to the finish line, right? Once you get to the finish line, you'll find out, you didn't do such, you didn't do such, you didn't do such. Then here are your consequences. Then when you go back, you have a bag full of consequences, right? So that you have to live with or adhere to. So which makes it more difficult. And then I would like to also add the discipline itself, that the one that we know, instead of the one that is connected to completing task or completing a goal. I like to talk about the discipline that is the behavior that is within, right? So for us as black kids or black children, we grew up knowing that, okay, when you wake up in the morning, you have to greet mama, greet tata, greet whoever. Then when you walk out your house as well, you greet anyone, right? And then when you see an elderly person, you treat them with respect. And remember, I did mention this, like we can't necessarily talk about discipline without engaging with other concepts, because it's not a concept that can survive on its own, and it's also not a concept that can die on its own. Remember, once discipline dies, a lot of concepts that are within a discipline or that are pushing a discipline further more to the top will also die. Because I'm thinking about it now. Once you don't have discipline, what do you lose? Or once you have discipline, what do you gain?
Okay, so the answer yam towards lo question yakho izawuba based on lay of reaching
Goal.
goal yabo.
Yeah.
So question yakho is uba if une discipline ugaina ndoni and then if awunayo
What do you
yabo
lose?
uluza ndoni yabo. So with the discipline you will achieve i-goals zakho yabo. And as banjilo uba answer yami based on le definition le bendiyibekile of which la definition yami yona i-tied into i-goal leyo yabo. Going back to lo mzekelo lo we-students yabo. So with the discipline uzopasa yabo because ufuna upasa i-goal yakho and then ke ngoku through using i-discipline uzawukwazi ufollowisha ezaa steps that you need to take in order for wena upase yabo of which kukuya esikolweni ufunde and then wenze homeworks nayo yonke loo nto leyo yabo. Then kubekho ngoku le uyivezileyo ke ngoku i-discipline of being respectful yabo, ubulise abantu and le respect, if awuna respect then question yakho would be yintoni oyiluzayo and ugaina ntoni. Hayi, if awuna respect aloku like awuzukwazi uba ne-connections with abantu yabo because awuzucaceleka nakhona yabo. And ke ngoku kuthiwa i-blessings sizifumana kubantu abadala yabo. Then if you don't respect abantu abadala then awuzuzifumana ezo blessings ezo yabo. But more than anything awuzukwazi ukuphila nabantu yabo because for you to achieve whatever oyifunayo you do need to be able to coexist with abantu yabo. There will be nothing ozoyi-achieve alone yabo. And going back to lo mzekelo wesikolo, if you don't respect i-teachers zakho yabo, one kuzawuba nzima uba ummamele because awumrespect nje laa mntu lowa and somehow uzawusuke ubhange isikolo yabo because maybe awuyirespecti kwale goal yakho yabo because i-goal yakho is ufuna upasa but ngoku you're not doing ezi steps ezibekiweyo for you to achieve leyo goal yakho yabo. So in summary, if you don't have a discipline then you won't reach your goals yabo. Because zonke they go back to into ofuna uyi-achieve.
Yes. While you were talking I was thinking about something that I wanted to pose to everyone. Well, let's talk about what you just mentioned in a sense of a task that needs to be completed. If we make an example about a child that attends school, that is always there every day, that attends classes, that reads, that writes, or that participate in a sense, right? So did you know that with all the training that one gets, or let me not make it a sense of that did you know that, let me pose it as a question in a sense of why does it then when you perform all the tasks that need to be performed to in order to achieve the goal, that you still come up short or still fail towards the goal? Why does that happen? Let's say here you get all the training you need for you to achieve the goal. You do absolutely everything and then you fail.
Then imake so ikhona into yoba ukufeyila exist, maybe goal yakho is delayed yabo. Unless ke i-goal yakho was tied to a specific time frame yabo. So it could be of two things yabo. So uthi lo mntu ebe zenza zonke ezazinto eziya yabo,
but they didn't have that discipline that is within. Now remember we spoke about the discipline that is within when you first think about something and then you perform it. But now I'm speaking of it in a sense of you do everything that you're supposed to do. You put in the work, you put in the work, but in your mind you lack a discipline. because there are like cases where you would have maybe, let's say, a talented sportsman, right?
Yeah.
A talented sportsman can do everything in a sport, right? But you would hear stories that, okay, that sportsman is indisciplined. They don't have discipline inside their mind. But
okay, so ibe into yoba like disciplined, let's say in terms of ukuya ejimini,
Yes,
yabo uya ejimini wenza yonke into when it comes to ibhola, yabo, and uya excel, yabo, but ke ngoku angayireach ipeak yakhe because estratweni wenza ezinye izinto ezibheke ecaleni, yabo. Then ke ngoku it goes to into yoba i-goal yakho, even though like unezo steps ozibekileyo, but for you to achieve leyo goal leyo, I depend only on ezo steps ezo. There are some things yabo ekufuneka uzenze to make sure uba i-goals yakho uyayi-reach, yabo. Like umzekelo kule ye-soccer player yoba uyaye practicing and then uyayenza yonke into when it comes to ibhola, yabo, but ke ngoku kweli side of which kwi-social side, yabo, you find uba ke ngoku angenzi izinto that align with the goal, yabo, because for achieve leyo goal leyo almost zonke izinto zenzayo ebomini they need to align, yabo, because umzekelo just nje eyokugqibela, yabo, so udlala ibhola, uyajima, uyathini, but ufumaniseke uba ke ngoku usela kakhulu, yabo, so awuziba match fit, yabo, because each and every weekend okanye each and every day uyasela, even though usiya ejimini, like kuzawuthatha umzimba wakho uba aperforme nzima for you to achieve leyo goal leyo, because ezinto eziyi-2 zimisaligned, yabo. Yes, ngapha wenza kahle, but kweli cala uzibuyisela ubheke, yabo, plus ke ngoku ne-environment and friends onazo ke ngoku they will also affect i-goal le yakho, yabo, indirectly futhi, yabo.
I was thinking of something. I wanted to interject, but that would be very rude of me. But thank God I didn't.
Right to interject when they interject, and I'm sometimes.
Because it comes back to your first question, if that was not your second, when you asked why is it very difficult to act or to perform,
to achieve those goals,
not necessarily to achieve goals, but why is it difficult to then
to be disciplined,
to be disciplined?
Yeah,
because to that situation you just brought up, I think it's more of a lack of your understanding. Yeah, you would do everything that you're supposed to do, and you don't understand why you keep on failing.
Yeah,
well, I think the enye into leyo that is a major part in this art form of a discipline. Why are you? I think it has to start within.
Yeah, so with low goal yakho zininzi izinto ekufuneka zibe connected for wena to achieve.
Yeah.
It doesn't necessarily depend on as actions that directly influence i-goal yakho, yabo. So zikhona ezinye izinto ke ngoku ekufuneka wenze sure uba they interconnect with i-goal yakho, yabo, of which le bhola izaba i-lifestyle, yabo. And nakhona ikhona into of being over occupied, yabo, fumaniseke uba you are over busy, yabo. And I think sometimes nam ndike ndifole kuyo, yabo, you find uba uye ube busy kakhulu, to a point yoba kufuneka ukhethe which goal takes the priority, yabo. Like let's say for instance kule yo shoot, yabo, you might have maybe any project, yabo, and nayo needs i-discipline yakho yabo, even nale idinga i-discipline yakho yabo. And then you find uba zibe scheduled ngexesha eli-1, maybe let's say andazi kwenzeke ntoni yabo, because kwanaleyo plan yoba kufuneka izinto zakho zingabikho, zinga-overlap yabo, it also takes i-proper planning yabo. And ke ngoku, because you'd find uba sometimes awu achieve i-goal yakho but uachieve enye, because sibane goals ezininzi yabo. So ungashuti but ufumanise kuba kuwe okanye umzekelo ufumanise kuba awushuti but uyatutorish yabo. So it's not uba yes kule i-goal awu-achievanga but uachieve enye i-goal yabo. And ke ngoku iba i-sense of ba yeyiphi ethatha i-priority and kufuneka ne-organization e-right yabo. And ke ngoku kum kule ndithetha ngayo yoba kuba kwi-projects ezininzi and then they overlap and somehow iba khona eflopayo kokuba over-occupied with the projects and sometimes ke usuke nje ube lazy nje qha bukele movie kanye uhambe yokwenza enye nje into other than ukwenza le that needs to be done.
Okay, so this one reminds me of something that I've once heard, but I think zonke I'm gonna say is they remind me of something, because this one says, so when you fully dedicate yourself to a goal, you begin to embody it.
But before siye apho, so kule yokugqibela I think even a part of motivation, and I can't start no touch away.
Or the one that says it allows you to stay committed when motivation fades. Meaning when there is a lack or no motivation.
Yes, and motivation, it's some sort of a fuel for you to do something.
That starts within as well, right? Because I feel like motivation, you need it, and also you need your own motivation as well.
Yes.
Because it happens, but like, now I won't motivate. I don't like this guy. I'm not gonna do that. Because like you get a good message, but to be a messenger, you don't like the messenger personally. Unfortunately, those are human attributes, right? That you would find yourself like, well, okay, I'm not performing well with this person, so anything that they say is garbage, even if it's it's the right thing. Well, those are some things that we need to be disciplined to, because it's challenging out there. Like if you are used to something, like used to do something in a certain way, then when you change a setting, when you change maybe environment, when you change your working environment, like you need to adjust. But adjustment should be in a proper way, should be in a disciplined manner. Because I think I once talked about that, when you move to a certain place, a place has an influence. Where I don't necessarily, which it will be a topic for another day, but it's a sensitive one. It's what is this? It's more of, let's say you work at a certain place, and then there's a culture there. Then once you get there, then when it's nice place here, then you throw away your culture. Not necessarily culture like customs or anything that is of, like, I'm talking a culture as in sense of you, like yourself. I'm not talking about to play or anything like that. I'm just talking about a culture as a framework for you. So
kwalo culture leyo is built from environment okuyo.
Yes.
So if ubusendlini abazali bakho will build i-character yakho. Then uhambe estratweni, istrato na friends zakho will build leyo character yakho. Then xa uyakwentsha low key bazozama ucreeper in. It's nature yabo and ke ngoku kawudependa kumuntu uba uyakwazi ke ngoku like to allow the new culture uba ingene, and depending on ba is it good or bad according to lo mntu lowo, then uzo decide. But sometimes ezinye izinto they creep in unconsciously. Yabo. Yeah. But then sabuyela back le part le motivation. Yabo. So discipline is what takes over when motivation fades. Yeah. So motivation was ilo fuel leyo yabo. Okay, ngoku I wanna be healthy yabo. Yeah, yabo. Maybe you've seen funa ujima yabo. You've seen umuntu one muscles na yonke lo nto leyo yabo, ba motivated up. And then ke ngoku yona iba into a short moment yabo, cause after la muntu ngambonanga, like let's say after a day yabo, you go back to your regular self. Okay. So yabo, then esa spark asikho yabo, and ke ngoku kulapho ngoku bathi bana idiscipline, kulapho ke ngoku it takes over for you to achieve la mzimba lo ufunayo yabo. Then kulapho ke ngoku kuvela khona nalanto yoba kufuneka wenze into ongafuna uyenza yabo, of which izaba kujima yabo, and esa spark asekho, but now you need the discipline in order for wena to achieve leyo goal le yabo. And low key now I feel like they go hand in hand yabo, for wena to achieve leyo goal leyo uyasidinga esa spark esibane sikubuyisa, so that ukhumbule uba this is the reason why I'm doing lento. It's because I wanna achieve lento le. Hence abantu ke ngoku they have as a vision boards yabo, because by motivation le. But as basichilo napha ku last episode, by vision board only without a system of achieving lonto leyo, and go kule case system izaba discipline, then kuzaba more like a connects oyenzayo apho yabo. But I feel like motivation needs to be big for wena to be disciplined enough to follow leyo system leyo yabo. Abanye abantu they get motivated by abantwana for ba achieve, let's say mzekelo lo financial freedom yabo, ba into yoba okay, whatever that I'm doing or planning I'm doing for abantwana bam, then by big motivation leyo. And umntu kuye like kuye kube nzima uba angabikho disciplined, because motivation inkulu kakhulu yabo. Even naleyo ba umuntu ufuna umzimba othile yabo, abantu baye bayithathele highly, and then umuntu have focused and sort of like achieve leyo goal leyo yakhe. But motivation iyadingeka, but funeke ihambe hand in hand with leyo discipline there.
Okay, you just confirmed like what I said within this conversation, that I remember what I said. I said this is a topic that we should indulge in, and then it's a topic on its own that one of the topic it speaks for for itself. And then I said to you, and I made a gesture that concept of discipline does not exist or survive on its own. It needs a packet of other concepts. So now you just brought up a concept of motivation. And then you dwelled on how motivation should work. Motivation should be within yourself. Motivation should be in another self or another body. So it's a great guide. It's a great sense of I tend to, kind of as clips as got Bruce Lee, I like to that I find them fun. Right? Like I find them very fun. They don't make me laugh. But they just make me, think more about myself. What am I doing wrong? Right? Yeah, I know. So any that I okay. yeah, I know this. I should have mentioned this. Between me and you would often refer to books or refer to quotes of the books. I like that there's a mixture of us having the conversation, right?
Yeah.
I like that. I'm not gonna say you handpicked me, but you know what you did. Ne? So I like that there's a mixture and some sort of a distance between the two of us in a sense of how we tackle and how we argue and how we converse on topics,
Yeah.
right? And I like the fact that you are a book reader, right? And I don't know if this will be like an insult to other people who are book readers out there, because I've been with you for the past year or two, in the sense of like reviewing a book,
Yeah.
or reviewing books, right? We've reviewed so many good books up. So it distance that I'm talking about. I'm coming clean now. Like, I'm not necessarily your book reader on my side. I can like be honest about that. Not that I find there's something wrong with it, right? But I would like to come clean and say I'm not necessarily your book reader, but I do my own research at my own time.
Yeah.
Right? So you indulge in your books, I indulge in my world as well. So yeah, in a movie, right? I think now people know where I stand. In a movie, the Batman movie, Bruce Wayne goes to this quest, right, to look for answers, right? He wants to look for answers. I think he wants to avenge the killers of his parents, right?
Okay.
Then he meets Uraz, right? He meets Uraz in a prison setting, right? Bruce Wayne goes on and commits crime. He wants to be so bad that he goes back and face the killer of his parents.
Okay.
But he meets Uraz along the way, which is Uraz Al Ghul. So Uraz tells him, well, you've traveled the whole world. You want to become a criminal so that you can face those people that wronged your parents, right?
Yeah.
That won't work out at all. Then Bruce Wayne was amazed because he know people fight fire with fire out there, right?
Yeah.
So Uraz told Bruce Wayne, he told Bruce Wayne that you have to become an idea in order for you to achieve something. So at first I was confused, which is, I think it's a point that is here on my notes as well. Like, to become an idea for you to achieve something. Remember, Chief, we are transitioning now where we have ideas within, then we project those ideas into something. Now, imagine that now you are told, since you want to achieve a certain goal,
you need to become that thing.
So you need to become that thing. Necessarily, you need to become, like, I think that was meant for a purpose of, when you have an idea, like a beautiful idea, it works so well in your mind.
Yeah.
It checks in a sense where you already made money with that idea in your mind, right?
Yeah.
But when you have to perform it, and then I have to pay for this, or I need transportation, I need this, now it starts to kick in. You are performing it in a real world setting.
And the quick obstacles.
Yeah, and then there are obstacles as well with it. So yeah. So going back to the dynamic here to see so two of you being a book reader and our book readers out there. Yeah, which is a good thing, by the way. So I like that our worlds are tested in terms of discipline. You have your own life, I have my own life.
Yeah.
In a nutshell, discipline can just break itself and come to you and come to me or to anyone who's watching, and it becomes something. Remember, what I like about a human life or a human form, we are all facing different things, and we are standardized to something, right? It doesn't necessarily mean we have to do the same thing, like follow your path. People excel to their dreams.
Yeah.
People don't excel to their dreams because sometimes they need that discipline. So I think when it comes to discipline, it goes a long way, man. It goes a long way. Like
sorry.
Yeah.
Kule nsano yithetha ne.
Yes.
Into eziyi-2 enizicingile. Yabo. So uthetha ngento ba like ndiyafunda yabo and awufundi kangako yabo.
Yeah.
So by ukufunda it's to accumulating in knowledge yabo. Yeah. And ke ngoku I'm not sure if you still remember screenshot enikisendele zona about the plan of the upcoming episode before you sneaked in le discipline.
Yes.
So leyana ibizaba into yoba like how does one accumulate in knowledge, like how do you learn?
Yeah.
And ke ngoku ndizoyibuza kuwe ngoku uba if let's say umzekelo awusifundi kangaka incwadi yabo, and not to say uba awufundi totally yabo, but to gain in knowledge yabo uyaphi?
To gain in knowledge, where do I go? So
consciously
like,
if let's say
that's a beautiful one. Okay. I'm one who likes to have conversation with myself. Like I'm one who likes to insert and eject a lot of things in my mind. And the reality is information is everywhere. One, information can be talking to you, right? Information can be me going to the internet. Information can be me being in like at school as well, receiving it, like anything from the lecture. Information is interactions that you deal with on a daily basis. Okay.
So to sum it up, leyo most yezinto zipointileyo leyoba you get information maybe let's say through oral yabo, from ukuconversa nabantu yabo. And ke ngoku I would also say because umzekelo wakho ibi movie yabo, you also do get ezinye teachings zakho from movies.
But if the concept of the movie is just to push the agenda that I'm not in the liking of it, I switch off my television.
But aloku nawe like you've built a collection of movies of which as movies zakho zinjani yabo, so you do get ezinye any information like from movies yabo. Then ibe into ba okay, abanye abantu like to receive knowledge orally yabo. And ke ngoku kwezi books zikhona i-audio books zazo yabo. Then ke ngoku is it not a thing, and also ziba khona ne animations zazo yabo, because with ezincwadi ne i-information ezinazo like umzekelo le ye-financial education so yabo is not a thing yoba kufuneka ube kumuntu othanda incwadi for you to get la knowledge, but ungayifumana la knowledge but ipackagwe ngenye iform yabo. And ke ngoku abantu that like to read yabo bazawuhlala phansi then bafunde bona yabo. But for abanye abantu mamela audiobook yabo, ungabukela i-animated version of leyo ncwadi leyo yabo, because ekugqibeleni eza concepts zi-concepts esizidingayo for ubomi yabo. And most yazo directly yabo zifumaneka through incwadi yabo. Yes, ungazifumana kwi-movie yabo, uzifumane kwi-conversation nje from a friend yabo. Then esikolweni azikho like that directly, because sikhe sitsho mos into edwanise ne-financial education ayitouchwa kangako yabo esikolweni yabo. But for abantu who are not like abangathandiyo like uhlala phansi and bafunda incwadi, but to get the same knowledge yabo bangafumana audiobooks and also as animated versions and maybe ezinye movies ezi financial yabo ezi educational yabo then enye ke ngoku point ebendiya kuyo apho leyo ba uthe ubana one needs to become an idea yabo and leyo yo bendike nayifumana phi nalo leyo because when you become leyo idea it's like uLwando Dami ubhuti uLwando Dami loka flip the coin yabo xa ndithetha naye like he always sneaks in or flip the coin unconsciously yabo and naye uye atsho ba he is flip the coin like he is the idea of flip the coin yabo so I think yena ungumzekelo of lendo of becoming an idea because he did have the idea yakhe yabo and then now kunzima to have a conversation more than 30 minutes without him sneaking in or flip the coin yabo because now ungathi like uyayiphila le idea yakhe and it takes ixesha for one to become the idea yakhe yabo so I think mandime up because those points z2
and then dude, that was very very beautiful and that shows Gebuti that if you want to venture into book reading and reading books as some sort of your hobby, your lifestyle, your life in a whole, I think nalabo you need to be disciplined because if you look at cover books, right? Some of them might catch your attention, right? They might catch your attention, but like not now. Like I need you, but not now. Like in a sense where this is a practical joke. It's not meant to harm anyone. In a sense where you would need like if things don't go your way, then your family tells you, go to church, then when you're like, nah. Not now, but when like you need that, but okay. But I guess sing a band or as humans we like to toy a bit so that when things like go like as difficult as they can, then I need to move along the right way before it's too late.
And nakhona like izinto ngazo like incwadi is not the only place apho ufumana khona knowledge because the question yami ekuqaleni ibuze uba kuwe bana like how do you get leyo knowledge leyo yabo and I know abanye abantu like incwadi yabo iyabothusa yabo so that's why I brought up enye indlela of getting the same knowledge yabo of which enye ndilibele uyimensiona is through i-podcast yabo sininzi podcasts as a whatever book often we found yabo and then instead of you having to uye kwinto ongayithandiyo because abantu get stuck ku page 1 yabo and singabantu si built ngendlela different yabo so you find uba uye angayifumani lanto beyifuna phakula ncwadi because ustuck phakula page 1 and that's the end of it. So instead of it being the end yayo zama any form of lando uyifunayo yabo ibe packaged differently either audiobook or as animated videos abazenzayo or i-podcast is because we do need as knowledge as pha encwadini.
It is true when they say information is key. And due to like the boldness of this episode or this conversation, like it saddens me that we have to go for a close now. But I want to say something in closing to add up on what you said. Or what I said about you becoming like an idea. So I want to close with my favorite line, which says, in order for you to achieve something, you must discipline yourself into that idea, then you will achieve it. and more of it. So I like to use that because it is very unfortunate that I never like indulge into what I'm sure people wanted to know this type of discipline that you didn't have. What happened? It's not like I call necessary, but the necessary thing is that discipline on its own can make you and mold you to a very, very beautiful and respectful and the most humble human being you can ever be. Remember, a lot of things as in the guy Papandle, they are very frustrating, right? Anything, someone hits you with the car, like, or someone shouts at you, like, and any indo that I have to associate or that I like to associate discipline with is my reaction towards everything that happens in life, because that's another key of a discipline layer. So imagine if maybe you and I go through altercation at Mhlambi, right? How I react to that will solely prove what discipline or how I how can I say this? How I tackle it discipline. Right? If mhlambi sine altercation, then I choose to use my power and I destroy anything that is in front of me. That means I have lack of discipline.
Self-discipline.
In a sense of where you have to, like, everything that happens in your life, anything, you get fired from a job, you get laid off from a job, you lose something, or you were trying to achieve that particular goal, you get stuck somewhere. They talk about the delay of goals, and they talk about everything has its own time. So sometimes I feel like when you are well disciplined, when you are put together, you don't have to be perfect, but when you are put together and when you preach discipline, right, it has to be a feeling within you, right, rather than the action first. Because I think the most important thing that influences an action in a human form is what happens inside. So the ideas, anything that you think about in terms of let discipline take over ideas, then you will win. Winning, what does winning mean? It means that even if you don't get it, you still need to let discipline take over. Because le piece or the writing about even if your motivation fades, even if nothing happens on a particular time, discipline should take over.
We are a work in progress. That's all I can say, because being disciplined but it's something we should strive for, and also kulomzekelo of being over-occupied with the goals and whatever, umntu must be able to prioritize ezo tasks because we only have not 24 hours, and 24 hours there's a lot of izinto that we commit to, so prioritizing ezo is also a form of a discipline le, even though ezinye goals you might not meet, but you will meet ezinye goals, and ithini lento le fail, failure is not an option, but izinto are just being delayed.
Can you there's a picture on your WhatsApp profile that says something there. Can you repeat it to the people, read it out loud to the people? It's been there for years.
I never lose. I think I never lose. I either win or learn.
So part of being disciplined comes with that. So once you don't achieve something, the discipline that's within you should only open room for improvement. Not necessarily failure where I think I said this on was it our last episode or the one before that, where I said that sometimes when I'm doing my tutoring, I would, not kindly, but I would ask my students to go and fail the paper. I'm saying that
Yeah.
in sort of in a sense of a disciplinary manner, right?
Yeah.
Like you need to fail so that you would understand how impactful this thing is.
You'd get a lot of lessons.
Yeah.
Bro. But yeah, I think we can end it off.
Yeah.
Now your powerful quote.
A powerful quote would be, every time when I'm here, like I go home, right? Then I feel good about myself. Not because I said a lot of words, because
Yeah.
I've learned, it is part of that. And also, one of the most beautiful things that I would like to say, every time when there's someone here, you give them a handshake, but I never got one, but it's fine. It is fine.
No,
So-
we rate you.
Okay.
We rate you.
This is what happens when someone is committed to you forever. Ne? Yeah. They don't need your physical touch. But anyway, for you.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you.